Corey here from Team Night Stalkers. We are here at Portals of Fear in West Mifflin, Pennsylvania. They used to be a non-profitable hunt and they closed back in 2024. They now are a profitable hunt and now they're open for their 2025 season for their first year being professional. Let's go in there and get some scares. Oh. Holy sh!
Yeah, you claimed we were safe!
I didn't think he was going to jump out, but he jumped out. I did not poop. Oh, God.
Rudolph has risen!
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
For you have entered his realm! And you shall bear witness to his beautiful creations! As they rip,
I can't.
tear, and bleed the Tina.
Hey, Chris, you want a pretzel? Oh, God, we got a crawler. Call for backup. Call for backup. Damn, I'm sorry. Oh, God. Hey, Chris, you want to come up here because I'm getting the shit scared out of me. I don't want to lead. All right. All right. Oh, God. Oh. Okay, I don't want anything. I don't want it. I don't want it.
You want to be next?
No, I don't.
You!
Okay. I don't want anything. We're going into the meat cooler, and I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay.
I can't feel my skin! It hurts to breathe! Don't tell her I'm still alive!
Dude, who invented this electrical room? This ain't good at all. I don't want to be a part of this ritual. Oh, man. All right. I can't see where I'm going. I don't like it. Oh, oh. There's a crawler.
One step closer, and I'll swallow
I don't like this. Okay, I don't like you. I can't help. Whew. Oh, man. All right. All right. I'm not taking your casket. I'll get out. I'm sorry. Oh, we're in like a catacombs, like spider web type of deal. Okay. Okay. This is pretty cool. I like this. Okay, I don't like that.
Your fate is sealed.
Oh, this is pretty cool. I really like the facade a lot. Okay, okay, I don't like you though.
My friend! Now we're having so much fun! Oh, really, so many games! It's one thing.
I don't want to play with you.
Don't touch my toys!
I will not touch them.
Tommy, I'm still pretty!
You are still pretty.
Then why did she break me?
I don't know.
A broken doll.
Okay.
A broken spirit. How delightful. I have a vessel waiting for you, my dear. I remember being
I thought you were fake.
I remember.
I thought she was fake.
The witch, she put a spell on me. It's
Oh.
terrible.
I'm sorry, I can't help.
The witches, they're watching.
The spell that she put on me, I could hear it in my head. She's playing
Oh.
over and over and over.
Okay.
I can hear them chanting.
I don't want to get in the shower.
Don't let the witch go through with the spell. Don't. Look who finally decided to show up late.
Yeah.
I'm unprepared for my dinner party. Nobody has anything to show for it.
Ooh,
Not a dinner
cupcakes.
outfit and nothing down to the table. You ungrateful little worms.
Ooh, somebody's cooking something good in the kitchen.
I escaped
Oh.
before the spell was done.
What kind of game?
Let's play hide and seek.
Okay.
You hide, and I'll seek.
I don't know if you'll ever find me though. Oh man, you already found me. Son of a gun. Dude. Oh man.
Yes, come, come. Stand before me, child, and rejoice, for tonight you
Okay.
are cursed by my hands.
Okay.
Now bow to your new mother. Bow to me, you insolent child. Now go, scamper off. Join the rest of my miserable children, yeah.
Alright.
Remember the
Horsies.
special you.
Oh man. That's a long freaking hallway, dude.
There's no
Holy
escape. You're one of us now.
Dude, this thing is so creepy just sitting here. I do not like it at all. It's so weird. Okay, goodbye. Alright. Yeah, nope, guys, I don't want to do this. Really cool. Oh! Well, we finished the Portals of Fear. And yes, I screamed like a little girl all the time. If you like this video, please click the link below. Until next time, stay spooky.